Welcome to my Christmas unboxing video. This is what I got for Christmas this year. I hope you guys enjoy the video. There are a fair few things in here I did not expect to get. Keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah, let's just get into it. First up, I got the AFMAU Season 2... Wait, sorry. Season 4 of the AFMAU plushies. And I also got the Bat Dragon from Adopt Me. I love it. And some eggs, also from Adopt Me. And the Queen Bee plushie, Squishmallow. I love it. And I also ended up with some nail art kits or sets. This one comes with glittery dull colors. Then we have the bright colors in this one to paint your nails with, obviously. And oh my god. Oh my goodness. Come on. It's so... Sorry, I didn't want to stretch that far, but because I was afraid that my hand would get stuck. But these are the decorations that I can put on my nails. I just felt like shaking them. Don't really ask why. I also got a Real Littles backpack, or handbag I should say. By the time this video's out, it's already been opened, so yes. And I really did enjoy it. Thank you very much, Bella. I also got this towel that apparently dries incredibly fast after use. I really don't know how that works, but I'm thankful for it. Anyway, it's grey and that it looks more like a picnic mat, but thank you. Now we have... Oh yes, the resin mold. This will allow me to finally make resin circles. And I'm really excited to try that. And this was from my nan. I love it. It's pure leather. Like, it's all made of leather. But I would be lying if I said that. But the design on the leather is perfection and so cute. But I would be lying if I said that it didn't creep me out just a little bit. Like those eyes. The light shining, it just makes it look like it's looking at you. Anyway, she also gave me this gift card. So I will put that with the rest of the stuff. Okay, now, my mum actually surprised me with these Galaxy Buds to go with my Samsung tablet. So I don't need to worry about cable headphones anymore, which is was a burden. Yeah, just a burden, literally. My cables kept getting tangled up, and these things will help that a lot because they don't have cables. So, let me just adjust my camera, hold on. Okay, and then she also surprised me with my new headset for when my computer starts working normally again. Um, it also comes with a crown attachment for the top of the headset. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that, but I might. The reason I needed a new headset, by the way, was because my friends said I sounded like a mouse or a chipmunk. Okay. Then I have my new pencil case. You might be wondering, why am I so excited about a pencil case? Because it's made specially for the Coptic markers I use. And trust me, I have so many Coptic markers just lying around. And I love the design of it. But, this will clear so much space up. So, yes, that will come in really handy. You will recognize these from my previous video of unboxing, actually. I got cute little socks, but my puppy kind of ate them, so I got a replacement. I'm really happy I got a replacement. Like, I loved those socks. And from the same series, I have Little. She also has this base to sit up, sure, but if you want her to sit on your shoulder, she can, because it's a magnetic thing, and it goes, you can put it under your shoulder, and she can sit on your shoulder. I also got this amazing corset. I'm not sure what I'll wear it with yet, but look at the detail on this thing. Like, just look at the detail on this thing. It's amazing. I'd be lying if I say that I didn't like it. I love it, I just don't know what to wear it with. Like, it's my first corset that actually has bands for the shoulders, shoulder bands on it. I love the thing. Okay, stay where I put you. Oh, you know what, I'll just put you there. Okay, what? Oh, that was a fail. Ooh. I was trying to open the fan. It's a cute fan that's made of pure bamboo. But I was trying to flip it open and shut. But it was a massive fail. So, as you can see, I was trying to do so. Now that I have more space, this would be the Helluva Boss extra stuff I got. If you haven't seen Helluva Boss, I highly recommend go watch it, or even better, react to it. I don't care. It's such a good story. This is Millie, though. And this one is Moxie. M&M. And yes, they are a couple. But I don't know why I did that. So I can't give all the answers. But they were fun to play with. They kept sliding everywhere. Oh, Millie! Teleportation. A Luna pin, which I absolutely love. I love Luna. She's also from the Helluva Boss series by Visipop on YouTube. And the next one is... Oh, my toes. Oh, that's nasty. One of my favorites. A Luna plush. Sorry, I'm trying to make a stand. It's just... My mum made her stand in the kitchen somehow, and now I can't get her standing. What am I doing wrong? Oh my god. I'm just trying to fix it so she will stand. Come on, please. Oh. No! I just need you to stand. Please, Luna, for one frame. Please, stand. Do I have to adjust her tail? What do I need to do? Trying to tail. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And she's surprisingly very good quality, by the way. Okay, finally! Sorry. I can't. The little Adopt Me Bat Dragon in the background and all the Aphmels, I can't. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Oh! I'm trying to say that pretty much if you think this is the biggest group so far, you'd be wrong. I need more space. For my beautiful Sprinkle. So you might think it's just a perspective thing and she's just a normal sized Squishmallow. But I can tell you right now that this is not a normal sized Squishmallow. See, look at it back there with the rest. You can see the normal sized Squishmallow back there, the queen bee. That is not a normal sized Squishmallow. I love it. It's so soft and I could bury my face in it all day. But literally, why is it so big? It's so big and so squishy. But like that is not a perspective thing. That thing is just massive. And I also got these Christmas lollies, handmade in Australia. We've got stars, Santas, and in there somewhere is a candy saying Merry Xmas. I still want to know. I love that pin, by the way. Just saying, I love that pin. Oh my goodness, and just like last year I got more stickers, mainly because I'm working on a My Hero Academia fan book, but I think I may need a new box soon, because like, I'm also getting Demon Slayer stickers, and I don't really want to get them mixed up, and as you can tell there's a lot of them, so I'm going to speed this up shortly after I announce that I absolutely loved all of these stickers. I went through them afterwards because, like, who wouldn't go through their presents? And yes, I did open one of the Aphmels, as you saw at the very beginning. She's sitting on top of the Aphmel box. Also, I highly recommend you get Aphmel plushies from the store. They are just so amazing. And please go watch Helluva Boss. The pilot is actually the first episode, which is stupid, I know, but I would highly recommend it. Oh god, my box. Everything just stay in the box. Please. Yeah, I definitely need a new box. Oh. Come on, stay. Stay in the box. Oh my god, they're falling out the side. Oh, that's annoying. I can see that Bakugo sticker right there. And also, what is this monstrosity? Is that meant to be All Might as a Pokemon? But still, whatever. That Bakugo over on the corner is really annoying me. He's not even in the box. And I'm already having trouble with what's in the box. Finally, I spotted it. Jeez. Yeah, I'm definitely needing a new box. So this would be, in conclusion, my Christmas haul for this Christmas. Tell me down below what you got for Christmas.